What's up guys? So I've been waiting for this for like a month. My turbo was having a little issue, so I sent it in to make sure it was all good, and I actually just got this. Loose lab. This is the drain flange for the turbo. Comes with a gasket. Oh, they also threw in a lanyard. It's cool. Sticker. Let me see. This is what I was really waiting for. Let's see it. This thing is heavy. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Packaged it pretty good. I didn't want to take it out of this thing. Bolts. Fell out. Open this thing. And put that on camera. So here it is. The issue I was having. This thing was actually, the compressor wheel was actually not spinning freely how it does now. Like, you see, it's like just spinning right now. Before, I had to like, kind of force it, but now it's just spinning. So that was the problem I was having. And when I started it up, or when I revved up the car, it was making like a whining noise, like if it was a supercharger. So that's what made me send it back to Precision to get it checked out, and they got it all repaired for me. So now I just need to get this back on and I could get the car running. Alright guys, so I'm gonna attempt to put this turbo back together. I don't know if I'll do a time lapse or speed things up, or I'll just make this a video. I'm not sure, but let's go. So what's up guys, it's a few days later. I actually ended up buying the last turbo drain flange. It was the wrong size last time. I was trying to put on my turbo and it didn't match up, but see, now we're good. It's the same size, matches up. So yeah, this little difference should help. I don't know if you guys can tell. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this on the turbo now. I don't need this one anymore. What else? Oh yeah, I also got fittings that was missing. I already opened this. I opened everything. Got some fittings that was missing. For my new, I'm gonna make a new turbo drain line. I'm gonna be running the 45 degree on the oil pan and 60 degrees on the turbo on the flange. So right here, I'm gonna throw a 60, and then this is gonna go on the oil pan. So this one's gonna get on this, and what I got here, dash 4, 45 degree. I don't know, I probably need it, so I just bought one. And I was missing a T for the boost control. I still need to do those lines. And there's the new line. Dash 10, black and red, vibrant braided line. The turbo. And this is actually, I already opened this. I'm actually doing some changes on my car. So I already opened it. I couldn't wait. I'll show you guys. All in fabrication. Center feed manifold right here. I just need to get this thing shaped out. I bought it used off somebody. This thing says all motor, but probably swap my fuel rail and put my hybrid fuel rail and swap that out. But yeah, I'm gonna run a center feed. I decided to change my setup. And here's the vacuum ports down here. So I don't need a vacuum block anymore. So if you guys need a vacuum block, let me know. I'm selling mine. And I'll probably get a 90mm throttle body. I think I could still run the one I have, but I'll probably end up switching. But yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm doing a whole new setup. Obviously, center manifold, center feed. So now I'm going to run a dual backdoor intercooler. So I actually purchased it already. I'm waiting for that to come in. And yeah, I'm not sure if this will go in the same video or what, but just wanted to update you guys. And yeah, I guess right now, so I can get my car running, I just need to install a turbo, obviously put this on a turbo, make the new lines with these new fittings, and then I could drive it. As far as the new setup, I'm waiting on the intercooler and to come in to get made and stuff. But I'll update you guys. I just want to show you guys what I got. Let me get ready to go to the garage and see if I can get these things on, because I really need to drive this car.
You gotta make something with that bumper you have, nigga. Each nigga make it run like that. Hey, you always gotta grind down the fucking bumper.
Fucking don't get nervous now. Oh shit, there we go. Turn off the high beam. catch like low ground, like, you know what I mean? Like,
That's all, folks.